TTM launched a nationwide search in 2023 for a site selection for our new high innovation, ultra-high density interconnect facility. So when we started, we actually started evaluating every zip code in the continental United States. We worked with a number of economic development organizations. We met with a lot of congressional people and slowly but surely narrowed it down. I think we got then to 7 states. And then we ended up with a runoff, which was 3 states, down to 2, and then finally to New York State. CenterState CEO supported TTM Technologies from the very beginning. TTM had never done this before in the United States. We had never stood up a greenfield. And the CenterState organization just helped us to understand in the lowest pressure possible way what to do, how to do it, when to do it. And then when we started to have roadblocks, it was how to get through those roadblocks, how to remove them without ruffling feathers, when to push, when to not push. It really was a partnership that has continued. We started this journey in 2023, and it has turned into this really fantastic relationship between TTM Technologies and CenterState.
Our approach is really to be a translator between what you're hearing from the federal government, what you might be hearing from the state government, what you're hearing from your bosses, and put that all together into something that's digestible for companies, because no matter how big or small your company, economic development and all the rules and regulations and incentives can get really complicated. And so we just try to make that as digestible and simple and straightforward as possible. We were on weekly calls with the teams, like in-house consultants who were working on this project. It's a very complex recipe to get a project to go forward wherever you are. Really what it is teamwork. This region really pulls together when a project is important. So you had Senator Schumer, who was doing work on the Department of Defense. You had at the local level the county executive team pulling together the incentives on the local level. The state was a phenomenal ally. And I think that what separates us and separates Central New York is the ability of that team to come together, put egos aside, and really try to do what's going to be best for that business.
So this project will have a significant impact on Central New York and the electronics community. It brings 400 plus jobs to the community in that building, plus all of the job creation that will come from it. So a message that I would give to any company who is thinking about Central New York as a place to either grow or to come to for the first time: you can count on CenterState CEO and you can trust that team. The advice I would give you is be transparent, share as much as you feel comfortable you can share, and you can count on that team to help you through this process. It's a great team. They will believe in you like they believed in TTM Technologies.
Oh, that's really nice.
There you go. Yeah, it was very true. I believe it, absolutely believe it with my whole heart.